What if the sun went dark for 24 hours? Apocalypse Explained. Welcome back, Thriveverse viewers. Prepare for a chilling ride as today, we ponder a startling, what if? What would transpire if our life-sustaining sun suddenly ceased shining for an entire day? Are you ready to delve into this riveting thought experiment? Then let's light up this mind-bending journey. Our sun, an ever-glowing star, fuels life on Earth through the endless process of nuclear fusion in its heart. Yet, if this ceaseless cycle were to halt abruptly, what might unfold? 8 minutes. For the first few minutes, we wouldn't notice anything unusual. Why? Because light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Light travels at 299,792 kilometers per second. Given the average distance from the sun to the Earth, about 150 million kilometers, light takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to the Earth. At the 8-minute mark, however, our world would plunge into an eerie darkness. Though our cities would glow with artificial light and stars would still twinkle in the heavens, our typically azure sky would be cloaked in a disconcerting blackness, as if an unexpected total solar eclipse has cast its shadow. From 8 to 30 minutes into this peculiar reality, life would continue to function somewhat normally. Electricity would power our homes and streets, and the digital world would remain connected. Nonetheless, the immediate psychological impact on humanity would be far from minimal. An air of shock and anxiety would hang heavy. As we transition from 30 minutes to 3 hours, the Earth's thermostat would take a steep dive. Bereft of the sun's warmth, a frosty chill would envelop our planet, making it feel more like a gigantic snow globe. 12 hours. After a few hours, temperatures would fall below freezing point in many places, especially in areas that were in darkness when the sun disappeared. The cool, blue planet would start to resemble a white marble. After a full half-day or 12 to 24 hours, the average global surface temperature would hover around the freezing mark. If the darkness persists for a full day, temperatures might plunge to a frosty -18 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees Fahrenheit. While deep-sea dwellers and subterranean organisms could find temporary refuge, life on the surface would be in a dire battle for survival. 24 hours later, when the sun reignites, our world would undergo a drastic transformation. The abrupt reintroduction of the sun's warmth would trigger a rapid temperature rise, stirring powerful winds and potentially spawning storms. So, there you have it, a chillingly fascinating contemplation of a world without sun, if only for 24 hours. While these scenarios pique our curiosity, let's take solace in the fact that our sun, still in its prime, is expected to continue its life-sustaining dance for about another 5 billion years. Thank you for joining us on this frosty journey on Thriveverse. Stay curious, stay warm, and keep those neurons firing.